how to change a wiki's name or URL on Fandom. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can change a wiki's name or URL on Fandom, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to sign in into your account, that is sign in into your Fandom account. And then once you're signed in and you're brought to the home page, you can see different options, different wiki pages. Then the next step to do is to scroll down to the last part of the screen where you can see the support option. Support option is often located under community, so you can just go ahead and click on support, and then you'll be taken to the support page. On this page, you can see different articles that could be related to your question, and in this question you can see is to change the name or the URL of a wiki, so you can just click on that, and then you can see different headings too. If you cannot find your option, you can then go back, but here we can see I want to change a wiki's name or URL. So you can see if you're an admin for a wiki, you can request. If you're not an admin, please use this form to request a change. So click on use this form, and then you'll be taken to a page where you can now submit your request. So this is your request, which is I would like to make changes to a wiki. So enter in your email address. You can enter in your username, language, and all of that, and then the current URL, as well as the new URL that you want to use, as well as the new site name if it's the site name that you want to use. Then write the subject and then describe the issue. Click on submit, and then from there, response will be given to you within hours on how you can go ahead and change your wiki's name or the URL. So that is it. Very simple. Ensure you try it out as fast as you can. Thanks for watching and have a good day.